Hi everybody, welcome to another unboxing video for our Proteus series. This time we're going to be unboxing our PXI module. I unboxed our module. You can see it here on the left. Our Proteus series modules are PXI Express. And what we see here is our Arbitrary Waveform generator. Okay, it's a 2.5 gigasample 4-channel unit. The series ranges from 1.25 gigasample up to 9 gigasample. It comes with between 2 to 4 channels. What we see here is a 4-channel. Okay, so we have our 4 channels differential outputs, S-clock in and out, reference in and out, 2 trigger ins. Okay, and then we have multiple markers, 8 markers for digital waveforms. The unit comes with up to 16 gigabyte of memory. It's PCI Express Gen 3, so it's can transfer up to 64 gigabit per second. And what we have here on the right is another configuration of our Proteus series, which actually combines a generator with a digitizer. So we have here a 9 gigasample unit. It's P9082M. -AWT, so Arbitrary Waveform Transceiver, so it can generate and receive. It's a 2-channel 9 gigasample and 2 channels of digitizer that can work up to 5.4 gigasample per second. Okay, so like I said, we have different configurations for our Proteus series. This is the base configuration. This is the AWG. It takes up 2 slots of PXI Express. As we have different options, the number of slots can grow. We see here our Arbitrary Waveform Transceiver. So you see the 3 slots PXI Express, 2 for our Arbitrary Waveform generator, another one for the digitizer. They are both controlled by a single FPGA, so you get a full feedback control system. And now what we'll do is slot them inside a PXI chassis. Okay, so we'll install our AWT. It's 3 slots. This is our chassis. Make sure when you install that the chassis is powered off. And when you insert the unit, make sure each card fits into the proper rail. Okay, so now that we have everything connected, we can control our instrument through the PC. We have our own proprietary software, which is Wave Design Studio, which is what we just launched. Of course, you can program the instrument with different programs like MATLAB, Python, LabVIEW, and so on. Our Wave Design Studio can be downloaded from our website, and it's also on the CD that is supplied in the box. What we see here is the communication screen. So what you see, the Wave Design Studio scans for any Tabor instruments connected to the PC. It recognizes our Proteus unit, so we select the unit we want to connect to. We press on Initialize. We save our workspace, and then we can start controlling the unit once the screen comes up. So you see we have a communication. For more detailed videos on how to operate our Proteus and how to operate the Wave Design Studio, be sure to check out our YouTube channel.